Adapting to the GMAT's adaptive testing, master the strategy. Hello, learners. Today, we are diving deep into the heart of the GMAT's unique feature, its adaptive testing system. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how it works but also how to adapt your test-taking strategies to maximize your score. Adaptive testing means that the GMAT adjusts the difficulty of the questions based on your previous answers. If you answer a question correctly, the next one might be harder. Answer it incorrectly, and the following question might be easier. Key point: the GMAT is not just testing your knowledge, but also how well you can adapt to increasing or decreasing levels of difficulty. The initial questions play a pivotal role in determining the trajectory of your test's difficulty. If you get them right, you're likely to face more challenging questions, which carry more weight. Remember, while every question is important, the beginning sets the tone. Aim for accuracy early on. Adaptive testing adds another layer to time management. As you might face harder questions based on your performance, allocate time wisely. Strategy: if a question seems too hard and is taking too long, make an educated guess. It's better to guess and move on than to spend excessive time and still get it wrong. It's natural to feel anxious when you encounter tough questions, especially if they appear consecutively. But remember, challenging questions are a sign that you're doing well. Mindset tip: think of hard questions as a positive sign and use them as a confidence boost. But also be ready for easier questions. They are opportunities to gain points. The best way to adapt to the adaptive test? Practice. Take several practice GMATs to familiarize yourself with the format and build stamina. Key to success: practice under real test conditions. As you get used to the adaptive nature, you'll be more prepared on the actual test day. The GMAT's adaptive testing is unique, but with the right strategies, it's entirely manageable. Remember to stay calm, practice regularly, and see each question, hard or easy, as an opportunity. Here's hoping this video empowers your GMAT journey. Good luck, and happy studying!